Reverse lights are something you don't think about until you can't see. Today I'm installing the Lasfit LED Reverse L-T15 lights, and we're gonna see how much brighter they are compared to the stock. Coming up right now. Okay, now we're gonna replace the reverse light, that is this one, with an LED. These are halogen bulbs, those are the stock bulbs, so now let's replace it with LEDs. Okay, and these are the ones we're gonna use, Lasfit LED. Okay, these are the LT15. All right, so let's see how bright they are. Let's do it. Okay, to replace those are super easy. First, open the trunk. All right, so in here it has these caps. Just open it from the side like this. So this is the shape. It has two long ones. Be careful not to break this one, so you have to pull on the left side. To remove it, rotate it to the left. Oh, I think it's better if you disconnect it first. Like this. Yeah, unplug it, and then you can disconnect this way. Yeah, and then you can pull it out. Yes, so this is the OEM bulb. To remove it, I think you can do it with one hand. Let me see if we can do it. I can do it with one hand. Oh yes, I got it. So this is the bulb. And now we're gonna use this one, LT15. So I already removed the clip. And to put it, okay, let me see if I can do it with one hand. It's a little bit taller. Let's see, let's compare it. Oh no, it's the same height. Okay, same thing. You have to rotate it in the opposite direction to the right now. So it has to go like this. Yeah, like that, and then rotate until it clicks. Yeah, and then plug it back. So you don't need to remove the panel, this one, just with that one. But before I put this back, I'm gonna test it. So look at the difference. This one is brighter. So it's great when you are reversing. You want the people to see that you are reversing. So this one is the halogen bulb. It's very dim, and this one is very bright. It is great. Okay, so for this one it's the same thing. Open it on this one. Be careful not to break these clips. Then unplug it first. This. Unplug it, and then turn to the left. And here is the bulb. See it? That's the bulb. So let's remove it. It's a little bit more. Yeah. So the bulb. Look at the bulb from here. And then we have the new one here. Let's put it inside, push it all the way. Go. Now let's put it here and rotate to the right. And then plug it back. Go. And put this one back. Oh, this one. Cool, it's done. So this is amazing. Look at that. Super bright. Both sides. Woo. Look at this. I can show you. Whoa. That's great. Look at that. One side and the other side. Okay, that's how it looks with the LEDs on the reverse light. The link is gonna be in the description of the video down below. But let me know what you guys think in the comments. Thank you for watching. God bless you. See you on the next video. Bye bye.